Hey, what's going on? Nick Tsai here. So in this video, I want to demo what is the sales funnel and how does it look like, right? So people are talking about sales funnels all the time on the internet, right? And you may think about, hey, so what is the sales funnel? So in this video, I want to show you what are they and what are the pages and the key elements on the sales funnel. So this page is the very first page you will need for every sales funnel. This one is called opt-in page. So we are using this page to collect our prospects like email address. So we are going to provide something for free, or we are going to give them an intriguing reason to leave their email address. So in this example, they are going to give them the free training, right? So they enter their name and email address and to get access to the free training. So what is the free training, right? So it's the next page. So this page is what we call the VSL, or video sales letter. So there will be a free training video here, but this video is actually a sales video, right? So they will talk about the topic first. They'll talk about, hey, why that happened, or how can you lose weight, things like that, right? Then they will transition and pitch the product. So that's how we sell on internet, right? We provide the value first, then we ask for a sale, right? So if they got interest in offer, they can learn more here. Then they can click on get started to learn and to buy the course. So then we'll be sent to the next page. So this one is the order form, right? So on the order form, they can just like order, right? Yeah, and there's key element here. That is a testimonial. So if you have any testimonial, maybe on Amazon, on your fan page, or even on Udemy, right? You can just copy a screenshot and post it there, right? So that's really powerful. Then another one is you have those mini badges here. It actually help your customers trust you more, right? And sometimes if you are selling things like how to make money online or how to lose weight, you may need a disclaimer here so that you can avoid some problem, right? So that's the three basic pages you need, right? The first one is the opt-in page and the VSL page and the order form. After they order, you want to send them to the thank you page and the members area. But because I'm not buying this product, so I'm not covering that. So that's it for this video. I'm hoping you enjoyed that. I will see you soon in the next video.